Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to properly partition a disk. Okay, so let's get started. This is my Explorer, this is my C drive, and this is my D drive. This little Windows icon here shows that the operating system is located in this drive. Okay, so in this tutorial I am going to further partition this C drive. Now just press the Windows run button and then you type in this command. Okay, this command disk mgmt.msc. just type in this command in the run box and then you click OK. Now what this does is it opens the disk management utility. So this is the disk management utility in Windows. In this Windows you can see the total capacity of your hard drive. For instance, here disk 0 you have the basic drive, which is 149.05 gigabyte. Now this is the total capacity of my hard drive, and this disk management utility also provides us with vital information about the status of our drives and the file systems like the NTFS. Okay, so this partition that we are going to drive that we are going to further partition, just right click on this partition and come here, click on shrink volume, click on that. Just hold on. Okay, this small window is going to open. Now listen carefully. Total size before shrink in megabytes, size of available shrink space in megabyte, enter the amount of space to shrink in megabyte. Now this is where our interest is. Okay, here we are going to input the total amount of the capacity that we want to give to our new drive. We are going to input the total capacity here in megabyte, and you must understand that 1024 megabyte makes up 1 gigabyte. So for instance, if we want our new partition or our new drive to have 30 gigabytes, right? 30 gigabyte of space means we need to take 30 gigabyte and multiply by 1024 to get our total size in megabyte. So if I take 30 gigabyte times 1024, it is going to give 30,720 megabyte. So this is our total size that we are going to shrink in megabyte. So just copy this 30,720. I'm going to put it here. That is okay. We have inputted the total amount of space we want to shrink in megabyte. When you do so, now in your own case, this might be different depending on your capacity or depending on the size that you want to give to your new partition. But that is how we do the calculation. You just have to remember that 1024 megabyte makes up 1 gigabyte, and if you want to shrink any number in gigabyte, just multiply it by 1024 and you input the results there. After doing so, just click on shrink. Okay, now just relax, sit back and wait. Okay, wow, so as you can see, this is our 30 gigabyte over here, and it is written there unallocated. it is written here unallocated simply because we have not finished partitioning the drive and we still have some work to do on it. So just right click on this and then you 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 go to this link, new simple volume. All right, now this wizard is going to pop up and the wizard is going to guide you through. Okay, this wizard helps you to create a simple volume on a disk. A single volume can only be on single disk. Okay, so now just hit on this next to continue. Now hit on next. Okay, here you can choose the drive path that you want to give to your newly created drive. In this case, let me say I want H, and then you can just hit on the next button. Do not format this drive. In this window, they're asking if you want to format the drive or you want to leave it like that. In this case, I will just say do not format this drive, but it's always important for you to format it. Okay, and hit next, hit finish. Okay, as you can see, this is our drive, our new drive, and it is healthy. Okay, it is showing healthy. So you can just right click on this and click on properties to see. So let me go to Explorer. As you can see, this is our new drive over here. This is our new drive, and it is showing like this because we have not formatted the drive. So I'll just right click on this drive and then I'll hit format. Here just choose the drive letter, let me say H, and then just click on start. Just hold on. Okay, as you can see, format complete, and now the drive is healthy. It is 29.9 gigabytes. I can open it, and as you can see, we have succeeded in creating our new partition. So now we have 3 different partitions, and it's always advisable to always create partitions in your hard drive for the purpose of storing different files. Let your operating system be on a single partition and where you keep your files be on the other partitions. This is always advisable. Maybe when you want to back up, this will be helpful. So thank you very much for viewing this video, and make sure you like, you share, and you subscribe. Thank you very much.